Pre-reading, meet Nelson. Nelson Mandela fought against apartheid and racism in South America. He led movements for change and helped those in need. Nelson was elected president of South Africa and served from 1994 to 1999. Think and talk. Nelson fought for equal rights and against racism in South Africa. What American leader does he remind you of? So I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy to answer that question. All right, we're going to wrap up our conversation in 3, 2, 1. Nelson made a huge impact on South Africa. Listen to find out how he changed the country. So we are going to read this book about Nelson Mandela.